This video is completely about how to season your red clay and black clay pots. To strengthen your red pot and enjoy the best cooking experience, seasoning before first use is very essential. If you search on YouTube, you'll find many methods. But don't worry, we are sharing the two easiest and most effective techniques here. First, you have to understand why seasoning is important. Seasoning makes the clay pot stronger, closes all the tiny holes in the surface, helps the pot absorb oil properly. This creates a natural non-stick layer inside the pot. So your food won't stick and cooking becomes very smooth and healthier. Since these pots are made from 100% natural clay, your first few dishes may carry a slight earthy taste. Seasoning removes that raw flavor and prepares the pot for long lasting and healthy cooking. Method 1. Rice starch water. Very low cost and traditional method. Soak the pot. When you receive your new clay pot, wash it thoroughly and soak both pot and lid in clean water for 15 to 20 minutes. Only the pots need the seasoning. The lid should be washed but not seasoned. Prepare rice starch water, that means kanji vellam, and pour it into the pot. Boil on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes, then let it cool naturally. This helps seal the pores and strengthen the pot. Repeat this process for 2 to 3 times for better results. Method 2. Oil and onion frying. This is simple and effective way to remove raw clay smell and begin the oil absorption process. Once the pot is soaked and dried completely, place it on the stove. Pour 5 to 8 tablespoons of any cooking oil like coconut oil, groundnut, sesame. Add few slices of onions and saute it gently. You have to put the flame on medium and do this process for 8 to 10 minutes. The pot will start absorbing the oil and turn off the flame. Discard the onions and wipe off any extra oil with a clean cloth or tissue paper. As the pot absorbs oil, it creates a natural non-sticky surface that improves cooking results over time. Handle the pot gently during the first 2-3 uses. After seasoning, allow the pot to dry completely in a well-ventilated space, preferably under sunlight. There's a tip too. For the first 2-3 uses, cook liquid-based dishes like curries or rasams. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.